Good morning, everybody. Well, we're about to head to pick up our next load. Let's pick it up in Missouri, going over to Dover, Delaware, and it's about 1,000 miles total between the deadhead and the mileage there. We just got some fuel, as you saw. It is again cold. I'm ready for it to be over already, and we're just getting started with this cold weather stuff. I absolutely hate it, but you know what? It is what it is. You know, we're just gonna roll on with the thing, and nonetheless, another day, another dollar. You know, so let's get out of here and let's go pick up that load. We have shut down for the night. We've already eaten dinner. I've posted the new video, and now we're just gonna kind of kick back, relax a little bit. We're gonna watch some YouTube, we're gonna watch some Twitch, and just have a relaxing night. We are currently 11 and a half hours away from Delaware. We will be there Sunday afternoon, so that's nice. We'll get there pretty quick. And then from there, I've already got another load booked out. And I can't remember exactly where that's going right now. But we'll pick that up after this. As long as our hours hold up, which I hope they will. We're kind of running on recaps, right? Oh, man. I was also going and looking at my old channel. And looking back at the old videos I did 10 years ago. Like, man, it was so crazy going back and watching those old videos, just bringing all the memories and different things that I did back then. It was so wild. It wasn't until here recently where I decided I was gonna add backing footage to the channel, which is something I never did back then. And that was because I didn't want the company to be put out there, because back then I didn't. I made content based on the company. You know, how orientation was, things like that. Stuff that I can do here as well, and I probably will, but as of right now, I haven't done any of that stuff because I've tried to make the content here more about what I have going on versus what the company does. You know what I mean? And I know that there's going to be people who are curious about the company, who want to know stuff about it. And that's fine. That's all well and good. I mean, I don't have an issue necessarily answering those questions and helping people out and stuff like that, right? Because at the end of the day, that's all we're trying to do. We're all trying to get information on the company that we're looking to go to. And I'm guilty of that. If I'm going to a new company, the first place I come to is YouTube. And I'm typing away, looking up, trying to find anything that I can find about them. So, you know, I'll probably will lean into that more as time goes on. I mean, we just started doing this. You know, we've only been doing it for like a week now, and the channel has had great success, and I appreciate that. It's been cool to kind of watch it grow, and the shorts perform well, and the videos performing well as I could expect with being a new channel. And it's just been fun to do again. I've enjoyed it a lot. I have. Just the other day, just last night actually, my daughter and my wife were sitting down watching my videos, and my daughter is talking to the iPad and stuff like I can hear her, you know, which is hilarious to me. 10 years ago, I never expected my children to be watching me. You know, I never thought about it, never intended on it, but my wife was looking at these videos, so my daughter wanted to look at them too, and it was just kind of funny how it came about that way. But yeah, man, it's pretty wild. It's pretty wild to see how things have changed and stuff like that. Hey guys, look, let me know what y'all want to see in the comments below. You know, like, you want to know about what you want to know about the company, where we run, how the pay is, how orientation is broken up, the trucks, all these things. You know, let me know in the comments, and I'll do my best to answer everybody. And you know, we'll be doing, and what I'll probably do is answer it in video form. That way I'm touching everything at once, kind of deal, in a long format, instead of trying to answer everything individually. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you tomorrow. Peace.